as workers, we remain opposed to the intention of giving out JKIA to Adani. We have said not once, not twice, that it's not a good deal for this country. It is not a good deal for workers. It's not a good deal for the sector, that is the aviation sector in totality. We are more than convinced that Kenya Airports Authority is financially able to fund its own expansion and modernization. Our appeal to the government is that they should pause and abandon the Adani project and instead assist Kenya Airports Authority to finance its own expansion.
We have said before we have no problem with the investors coming to the country, but the way this Adani deal has been crafted, it has all the trappings of what one would call a state capture. Look at Adani at JKIA, Adani in Shaf and Shif, Adani in Ketraco, and the whole thing crowded in secrecy. So we are on record for the petitioners here.
We've seen what is happening in Bangladesh. The same Adani who was chased from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka, from Australia. Today we are hearing that he had a problem with the people of Bangladesh and he has cut off power. We want to tell this Kenya Kwisha government that if actually they are going to give this Adani everything, for Adani to control our airways in terms of taking JKIA International Airport, for Adani to control our energy sector by taking over Ketraco, for Adani to control our healthcare systems,